Jesus is alive, and he said, I'm going to go away, and I will come again and receive you unto myself. Some people say, well, where do you get this idea of a rapture in the Bible? You're going to get caught up and taken to heaven? Well, that's what Jesus said, didn't he? He said, in my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you. I'm going to go away. I'm going to prepare a place for you. And if I go away, I will come again and receive you unto myself, that where I am, there you may be also. Sounds to me like he's going to take us to heaven, doesn't it? I don't know what other conclusion you could come from those words. This was a promise that Jesus made.